Okay, so today's video is about the Allister pressure washer we've got here. I'm not going to go through obviously the unboxing because I've already done it, but I'm going to talk you through how to set it up. So the first thing we've got is the pressure washer hose. So when you come to connect this up, you've got a lock mechanism here. That one end plugs into that once the lock is pulled back. Make sure that's nice and secure, and then exactly the same applies for the pressure washer handle. So if we take this one off here, again you can see that you've got the lock mechanism here. The other end slides into that. Pull it to make sure that it's locked and safe. So that's the pressure washer gun. Now what you connect into the end of this is you've got this snow foam bottle, so you can put your detergent in there for patio washing, car washing, whatever. That connects into the front of the hose and locks in like this. It's fairly difficult to get in. Push it in, that locks in place, and then you can use that however to add your detergent. So unclip it, it's just a push in and turn again. Once you've done your snow detergent, so added it to whatever you are going to be using, the next thing to do is to add the extender, and again it's a push in and clip. So push it in, turn to lock. That's that. I'm going to take this off so you can actually see what else we're doing here. And then also in the back, what we've got is the high pressure nozzle, and again that goes in one way. You've got a little nozzle marker here that lines up onto here. Press the button to put it in place, release it to lock it in, and to adjust the spray, the fine spray on here, you would turn the nozzle to make it a wide spray, turn it back again to make it a power spray, and that's your rinse nozzle. But that's got to be used in conjunction with here, so you can't put the nozzle directly onto the high pressure lance. You've got to use it with this. So that's that bit. The next thing is connecting the hose. So for the water feed on the back here, it comes with this in the box. So this is the attachment with the filter. So as and when it gets blocked up, so for instance if you've got particles in your water feed, you can actually take this out. Let's just use something so you can see us removing it. And to get the bit tricky, what you don't want to do is to damage it, so I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, there we go, and remove that. So in the bottom here, it's just a gauze that's in there, but yeah, just rinse that under the tap, and once you've done that, that then goes back in the same way. So you want obviously the whole end in where the water is going to be coming out, so that goes in that way like that. So that pressure's in there like that. You've got the seal at the top here, then this seal here, you've got 4 little pegs on it, and they will line up to the holes here, so that seal will just slide down there over the top of that, and then that then screws on to the unit, and then you would clip your hose onto that there. So that's all there is to it in terms of connectivity. Now also in the box you get this back plate. There's 2 screws, one in here, one in here, that just slots on, screw that in there, and again for the carry handle, that presses on the front, 2 screws in there. The way that this packs up is the lance goes on there. Let's remove this. So just to show you how easy it is, it unplugs there. That clips in this area here. Trying to push that in there. There we go. And then this one clips in here, like that. And then all I've done is I've just hung the cable over that for now. But that's all there is to it. And then if you want to store it away neatly, I just added that. Pop that on top of that. And there we have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this up for a first use. The patio is a right old mess at the moment, so we'll have a look at that, and then we'll show the unit in use. Okay, so you can see we've got the hose connected into the back unit here, and it's plugged in over there. So that's just waiting for it to be switched on. So you can see all the filth and grime on the patio down here and here as well. All pretty filthy. So now we've got the lance connected, so we're all ready to go. So you can quite clearly see there what a difference that's made. So I'm just going to tackle each section in separate, and then I'm going to just brush the water off into the gutters. Any excess water. So then the only last thing that you need to do is when you're packing it up, make sure you dry everything off. So I've just used an old towel just to wipe everything down, wipe the hoses, wipe the power cord, dry off all of the accessories. And that's it. So once that's done, that will then go into the shed until I need it next.